on Flipgrid. So go into the discussion where you're going to add in your video and then click record a response. And then it'll give you your pop-up video. It'll see you, so you'll see you when you pop up. And then go to click on options down here, and you're going to go to the far right where it says record screen. So click on record screen, and it gives you kind of this blank screen here, and it gives you a timer up at the top so you can see how much time you have left in your particular presentation. Click start screen recording, and see you'll have kind of a little person pop, you'll be popped up down there. And then you have a couple of different options. So for me right now, I have two monitors, so I can pick which monitor I'm using. I can pick a specific application, so I have a Chrome and a PowerPoint available, and then you can actually pick a specific Chrome tab, which is helpful if you're doing something like Google Slides. In this case, I'm going to click PowerPoint in this application window and click Share. It gives you a countdown. Now it's recording, but you see you don't see what you're recording here necessarily. So I'm actually going to bring over my application that I'm recording. And I have my PowerPoint slides here. I'm actually going to click on this reading view button down here to help my slides fill out the whole screen on that. And then I can click back and forth between my slides and talk about what they are. Remember, try not to just read everything on your slides. Make sure you're actually having a discussion about what's on those slides. But you can click through your presentation and talk about each of those things. And then when you are done, go ahead and click stop recording. You also have the option to pause if you need to. When you click
now it's recording,
stop, it's going to automatically start playing your video back again for you. And you can trim and edit it a little bit, not an extensive amount, but if you click on it, you'll be able to move the playheads around, and you'll have the option to delete clips and do different things. So get it how you would like it to be. And so if I wanted my video to just show when the slides were taking up the whole screen, I can move it to that point and do that. So you've got those options. You can click confirm. It'll again go through and play that trimmed clip for you and do that piece. If you want to add more down here, you certainly can. Click next when you're ready. And then it'll put your name in there automatically. If you have any links that you would like to add into your presentation, you can certainly do that. And then you can put in your title for whatever it is that your topic happens to be. And you also have the option to go back and edit it if you need to. And then click submit. It'll go through, upload your video, and when it's done and kind of gets it where it needs to be, it'll give you some confetti. There it is. Say, hooray, you posted your video. And then you can click complete, and it will show up on the board that you posted it in. So in this case, we'll just hit refresh, and it'll show up for us. So that's how you do a screen recording on Flipgrid. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know, and I'm happy to help with that. So I look forward to seeing your videos.